Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our lecturer Dr. Rafida and my fellow friends. Today, our group from Group 6 is going to present about Project Numerical Method. Before we start our topic, I'm going to introduce my team members. So the first members is Nur Aiman Hakim bin Sharif. The second members is me, Putri Zalia binti Muhammad Kamal Arifin. The third members is Ain Nabila binti Zaini. And the last members is Atira Batrisha binti Ramli. Our project topic is nonlinear equation. I'm gonna present about introduction. What is nonlinear equation? Numerical analysis is the field of computer science and mathematics that implements, analyzes, and creates the technique for solving numerical the example of applied mathematics. As you can know, nowadays, based on a single diode model of solar cell, several research have advanced many interactive technique and Newton method for solving nonlinear equation of it. This technique can be assorted as one-step, two-step, or three-step technique. This technique have been approached using bisection method and secant method. So I'm gonna pass to our next presenter.
For first part is bisection method, and Aima will explain the simulation of bisection method.
For the simulation of the bisection method, this is the coding and this is the manual calculation. Based on the question, we got the equation is FV equal to negative V over R plus IS uh, exponent V over N VT minus 1. And this is the manual calculation that we got. And we got for the manual calculation until 14 iteration, which is the absolute error or FC equal to 0.0005. And then we use the same equation and apply to the MATLAB. This is the equation that we enter in the MATLAB. This is the tolerance. This is the interval A equal to 0.5, interval B equal to 1.5, and then we make the coding, and then we run the simulation. So the answer will appear at the command window. For the simulation, we got the answer until 15 iteration, where the absolute error or FC equal to 0.005, where the answer same with the simulation. Actually, for the FC and other value, we have a little different because of the decimal place.
For the second method is second method, and Ain will explain the simulation of second method.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Bila binti Zaini and my metric number is CE210076. I will present for the second method. This is our equation for our question. FV equal to negative V per R plus IS exponent V per 0.026 minus 1. The value for the resistor is 1, meanwhile the current IS equal to 10 negative 2. This is the result for our manual calculation. Next is for the MATLAB. This is our coding for the MATLAB. The equation we put here, f equal to alias v negative v plus 10 negative 12 exponent v per 0.026 minus 1. V0, this is for the V0 is our first initial gas, which is 0.5. The second initial is 1.5. For the tolerance is 10 negative 4, meanwhile for the iteration is 10. This is the processing for the second method. After we click the run, we will get the result for the coding. The x1 equal to 0.5, x2 equal to 0.5, x3 equal to negative 0.0038, x4 equal to 0.0000017. From x5 until x9 we get the 0. Meanwhile for the x10 we get none. If you see for the result for the manual calculation and MATLAB result, it's a little bit different because it have an error in our coding. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, we are able to solve the numerical solution of a single diode for PV cell in terms of bisection method and cycle method, based on the obtained result and discussion. Based on our observation for both methods, we can conclude that second method is more simply and effective method than bisection method for solving in the engineering problem. Instead, in the result, second method has a smaller number of iteration, which is 5 iteration, compared to bisection method, which is 15 iteration. Furthermore, it is particularly challenging to apply this method to a system of equation because the convergence of the bisection method is predictable and very sluggish. That's all from us. Thank you.